Let's see you move. Oh. And you say that he's potty trained. He doesn't go potty in his run.
He hangs on to it until the next day.
And he's pretty bouncy.
Hey, get on shit.
Hi, handsome. What do you think? And I touched him all over and everything was fine. And I don't feel any masses or anything odd. He just looks like Mr. Happy Boy. Definitely needs to be brushed out. He's got all old coat and he does have a broken upper canine. It's broken at the gum line. Can we, oop, my phone just stopped. That's nice. Let's see. It's broken at the gum line. If we can, come here. Oh, I know, and he's getting some little, bless you. He's probably getting a little bit of upper respiratory. Bless you. He did have his shots when he came in, Bordetella, and we're going to check to see if he's on pain meds right now. Really nice dog. Huh, big boy? Hi.